like lots of types of music, I'm sure, and you have many bands that you like, newer bands, newer songs, older songs. And there's a song that I want to take a line from and use it to teach something here that's so important. And in this song, the song, by the way, is from a band, and their name is The Cars. And I did a whole special at a seminar once on the band The Cars. But short of getting caught up on that, I just want to go to the line in this song. And in this song, the guy says this: who's going to pay attention to your dreams? It was about a relationship that was breaking up. And it almost sounded like she was breaking up with him. And he turns around and says, if I'm not around, who's going to pay attention to your dreams? Who's going to care about what matters to you and what you want to have happen in your life? Who's going to pay attention to your dreams? Okay? Incredible. Now, how does that apply? Where's my pen? In your life right now, as you sit here watching me, how many human beings actually and legitimately, genuinely, sincerely, truly care about your dreams? I can think of maybe 2 people in my life that actually genuinely care and want the best for me without anything selfish for them, without any resentment, without being jealous, or without having envy. You get the idea? People will say it, and then there's those that actually are sincere. How many people actually give a damn about your dreams and what matters to you and you're becoming more successful? See, that's not normal. See, most people want other people to be less successful. That way they don't feel so bad for being lazy. They want other people to be less successful so they can elevate themselves and think about how awesome they are. Okay? It's very hard for other people to actually care about somebody else if they're not already getting something in return for it, or there's leverage, or they have to do it, or what's in it for me. You get the idea? I mean, genuinely care about you and your dreams. I was in Key Largo, had my boat down there with 3 other people at the table. One of them was a chiropractor friend of mine. And I said to him, how many people in your life actually care about your dreams? And without any hesitation, he said 2. And it was his girlfriend who was sitting right there, and it was me sitting across the table. A perfectly honest answer. Sad, not, it doesn't matter. That was what the answer was. How many people actually care, really, about your dreams and about what you want and about you growing and becoming more successful and all of that? Okay, that's the first part of this. Now, let's go over here. You want to be the person that cares about other people. Many of you didn't think that was coming. Yeah, who cares about me and who wants the best for me? Me, because it's all about me. Who gives a rip about you? I almost don't give a damn if anybody cares about my dreams. And if they did, I would think, oh yeah, whatever. You know what I mean? What matters to me is how many people that I can prove to that their dreams matter to me, that I'm one of those few people, okay, that genuinely and sincerely cares, objectively, without anything to gain. Get the idea? Be a person that does that. Oh, okay. Well, how do you do that? You remember stuff. We had a gentleman in the group who had to have a pretty invasive cervical spine surgery. Oh, so hard for a chiropractor, okay? To have something go to the point where they've got to get a spine surgery. That was months and months and months ago. Just the other day, out of nowhere, I sent a message going, how's your neck doing? I will guarantee you I'm the only person who did that. I'm the only person who remembered. Be a person that listens, remembers, and then just follows up. How's that going? Keep me updated. Okay. This working out really matters to me. See, when you look at life and what really counts, there's a handful of things that really count. And I'm not talking about good food or having good friendship or, okay, I'm talking about the feeling of knowing that somebody else out there is thinking about you in a positive way and in a caring way. Someone you can actually confide in, someone you can actually talk to, someone who truly cares about your best interest. Okay? I sit here myself and I realize, okay, who in my life really cares about my stuff? Well, it's maybe two people. There are some chiropractors out there in the group that might say they do, and maybe they do, I don't know. But as far as what is evident to me, and everybody else cares because they get something in return, they want something from me, they think they owe, whatever. But it is a big deal to me, and I promise you it's a big, big deal to you, when anybody remembers anything that's important to you. Could be something this simple. How did your hair turn out? Someone went to get their hair colored or something like that. How did it go? Wow, you remembered that I went and you actually cared enough to send a message. You get the idea? Do stuff that proves that you care to whoever, okay? Can't do with everybody, but I want you to be aware. The more you care and take genuine interest in them, the more people will care and take genuine interest in you, all right? So let's go back to the very beginning. Who's going to pay attention to your dreams? Our point here and the coaching point for you is, okay, you are the person that pays attention to other people's dreams. What do I do all day? All I do is try to make chiropractor dreams come true. Whatever I can do in audio, whatever I can have in video, like this one, to help your dreams come true. When's the last time anybody made a video for me that was useful for me, for my dreams to come true? Oh yeah, it's never happened ever in my lifetime. I've made well over 1,000 to help other chiropractors' dreams come true. I've written way over 1,000 pages in books and booklets to help other chiropractors' dreams come true. I've put on over 100 events to help other chiropractors' dreams come true. I sit there and I spend time on the phone privately to help other chiropractors' dreams come true. I will do Zooms or things like that of different lengths of time, say 1 hour, 2 hour private Zooms to what? Help other chiropractors' dreams come true. My entire working existence is about what I can do to help other chiropractors' dreams come true for a very modest fee in return. See what I mean? So when I talk about this, I'm the guy living it and doing it at a higher level than probably anybody you will ever meet. What does it mean? Here you are, be the person that cares about your patients getting better. Follow up with a little note, send a little card, an email. Your chiropractor friends, follow up and see how they're doing and care. Family members, friends, co-workers, you get the idea? Be the person that remembers and acknowledges and cares and shows genuine interest in other people. Because when you do that, you are guaranteed to get massive interest in return, build huge friendships that will last your entire life. And the bigger your group is of high-powered and very, very mutually respectful friends and friendships, it can only make you much, much, much more successful personally and, of course, financially.